Hello, still we're talking about 3.1 percentage, and in this video I'm going to give you more examples on percentage. Okay, the first question is saying if the annual rate of inflation is 4%, find the price of a good at the end of the year if its price at the beginning of the year was $25. Okay, first thing I'm going to give you a new formula, which is 1 plus R over 100. Alright, what is this R? This R is the rate. So you have to find the scale first by this formula, 1 plus R over 100, and our R is the rate here, which is 4, and you'll have here 1.04. Next thing, you're going to multiply this this scale by the original amount of money, which is 1.04 multiplied by 25, you'll have 26. So after inflation, the price is going to increase to $26 because there is a rate of inflation is 4%, so the increase will be by $1 and the new price is $26. Okay, let's see another example. The cost of a good is $799 including VAT, value added tax. What is the cost excluding VAT? So we want to know what is the cost before the tax. Take care here, it is before the taxation. So you're going to do the same thing, which is 1 plus R over 100 to find the scale, and it's going to be 1 plus our scale is here 17.5 over 100, and you're going to find 1.175. Okay, so now we're going to work on this rate with the what? With the amount of money, which is 799 divided by 1.175. Okay, now why do I do a dividing here? I did it dividing because I'm talking about before. If you are looking for the price or for the value which is before the change, you're going to divide. But in the previous question, I had 1.04 multiplied by 25 because I want it after inflation. So once it's multiplication, that means if it's after. Once you have a division, that means it's a what? It's the value that is before the change. So it will be, if you divide this, you'll find $680. So before taxation, before the VAT, it was $680, and after the VAT, it will be $799. Okay, another example. Express the rise from 950 to 1007 as a percentage. So here, first thing you have to know what's the difference, or what's you have to relate these two values together. What's their quotient? That means I just wanted to make new value over the old value, subtract them, and it will be 1007 divided by 950, and you'll find here 1.06. Okay, this 1.06 is the scale. So if you remember, our formula is 1 plus R over 100. This one, take it out, so you'll be left with 0.06. Once it's divided by 100, you'll find only 6 is left in place of what? In the place of R. So the rise as percentage is 6%. First thing, divide the new by the old. Once you find the scale, take out the 1, then divide the answer by 100, and you'll find a percentage. Okay, now I'll give you some questions that I want you to solve by yourself. Please try these 3 questions. I'll read it for you. The value of a good rises by 13% in a year if it was worth $6.5 million. At the beginning of the year, find its value at the end of the year. Second question. The GNP of a country has increased by 63% over the past 5 years and is now $124 billion. What's the GNP after? What is the GNP 5 years ago? Okay, C. Sales rises from 115,000 to 123,050 in a year. Find the annual percentage rise. Okay, try these questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.